Hey guys, this is Trainboy 70. Whew, what a day. We went to Huckleberry, Michigan for Colton's birthday. You know Colton, my cousins. Today I got some merchandise of Thomas stuff from Day Out with Thomas. It's in this yellow bag. I will show it to you. Have Thomas Wee plush. It has Thomas and Percy. Let's take a look at Thomas. The face looks like the video. You know the video, like it shows the alphabet, numbers, colors, and shapes. Don't you know that? So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the bottom, and the back. Let's take a look at Percy. The face looks like the video, like to show you colors, shapes, numbers, and alphabet. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the bottom, and the back. That takes care of my Wii plushies. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have Huckleberry with Thomas. Huckleberry with Percy. And Huckleberry with James. I don't have a 2013 version of the CGI Thomas and Percy and James, but I would get one on eBay. Just to wait and see. Let's take a look at 2022 Thomas. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Let's open it and see what's inside. Have Huckleberry with Thomas. I will get him out and I will show it to you. Hey guys, I'm back. I just unboxed Huckleberry 2022 Thomas. So here it is. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the bottom. It says Thomas, and the back. Let's see it once well. Once well. It came with this thing that shows the other Huckleberry with Thomas available to buy. Thomas, I got that one. James, I got that one. Diesel, I get that one. Rebecca, I get that one. Wet Rosie, I get that one. Nia, I get that one. Kevin, I get that one. Gordon, I get that one. Percy, I got that one. Hero, I get that one. So that take care of Thomas. I'm gonna unbox Huckleberry 2022 Percy and James and off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just unboxed James and Percy. It came with those two things, like it did to Thomas. Also, I think I'll show you the back of it. There's the back of it. Want to read it, you can just pause the video if you want it. Anyway, let's take a look at some Huckleberry Thomas trains. First up is James. Here's James, so here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the back. Let's take a look at his tender. So here's the front, side, the other side, top, the back. It says James's tender. Hey, I forgot to show you the bottom. It says James on it. I always show you Thomas, so let's take a look at Percy. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, It says Percy in the back. Let's see Percy wants well. He wants well. Let's see James wants well. Well, you know, he wants well. Well, that take us my word away, right, Thomas? Let's take a look what I got at, you know, that sound in the background. So let's take a look at the next one, shall we? The last one I got at Dale with Thomas is a magnet. You can use a magnet to stick everything, like the refrigerator and everything. So here's the front and the back. That's a blank, the black background. That means you can magnet anything you want, like the refrigerator. So well guys, that's everything I got at Day Out with Thomas. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.